Okay, this is a new ThruNite emergency safety whistle. It's made out of titanium. It's really light, durable. Comes with this cord. You just tie it and it's ready to go. You can also put it on a keychain, put it around your neck for quick access. Got it, and I'll put all the specs and everything, the details. There'll be a link in the details down below. I'm going to take this GoPro with me. I'm going to run down there. I'm going to show you the distance, and he will record and see if you can hear it. I'll be right back. GoPro. Cut it. On. Okay, there he is way back there. One quick blast lets people know you're in the area. 3 is distress. Let me catch my breath. Hear it?
Yep.
So from here to where I ran, it's probably about 100 yards. And then I went around the corner about 100 feet. And you could hear me?
Yes. Very clear.
Right on. So it's not a bad little whistle. Looks pretty cool. Comes with the necklace. I just do a quick knot on there. Just put them both together. Once around. Almost like a clinch knot. Like a clinch knot. Overlapped them. Fishing knot. You don't even feel it around your neck, but it could save your life someday. Besides being lost, if you're ever in a canyon, you fall, twist your leg, break your leg, cut yourself, stung by a scorpion, bit by a rattlesnake, or nowadays, who knows, attacked by another person, this may save your life. You could be over there, you could hear somebody laughing and walking by here, you could yell. They're not gonna, it's gonna echo all over. They're not gonna know where you are. You're gonna waste a lot of energy. But you blow this whistle, the three quick blasts, that's a international distress. They can zero in on that really easy, and it's heard a lot further than the human voice. So for a few bucks, you could save your life. Especially if everybody in your group had one of these, you get separated, you give one blast, that'll signal for the other people to give a blast. Or if they're lost, 3 blasts, so you can find them. So it's a way of quick communication. So, links in the details down below. Thanks for watching.